Hi guys, good evening. So today market is selling very much fast and it is just not stopping. Now what will be our planning? Market had fallen from upside from 5 p.m. onwards. It is just falling towards the downside and it is not stopping. So our plan will be simple. If market will take support from here and if it will make a setup within this range, a selling setup if market will make, we will then gonna execute the trade onto the selling side. So we have to wait for the setup to be created. At this point I would like to wait. Market is making big candles, but we have to wait for a setup, then only we can execute. Otherwise we can trap easily in the market. We will hit our stop loss if we will jump into this sharp fall. So we have to wait for the setup. Our planning for today will be is to selling only. So let's see what will going to happen. So I will be waiting for the setup only, and our target will be, first target will be this, and the second target will be around this level. If market will create a setup, then we will take a trade towards the downside. So I am just waiting for the setup. When the setup will be created, I will execute the trade. So guys, here what is happening, market is making the same setup which has been made yesterday, and all the buyers are thinking that market will move again like that only, but that will not gonna happen. And the sellers what they are thinking that market will move downside. So what they have done, first they have entered and they have been cleared off by this move. Now what will happen, again they will be invited at this point and they will again first cleared off. When 2 to 3 times market will trap the sellers, then only market will fall. So we are waiting only for that, and when that will be done, we will just execute the trade, and then we will see a positive PNL. So let's wait for the setup. Market is going towards the upside. We need to see till where market will go. So let's wait for the perfect setup to be made. Our target will be at this point. This is the level we have marked. Our target will be this point. So market should make a setup and we should enter. So I will be gonna execute at this point, and our SL will be 20 points, which is this. So let's execute the trade. Limit price 276. Okay, we have purchased, and we have to see now that will be hitting RSL or we will continue with the trend. So 20 point SL will be this. We will keep our SL below this. So 255, 254 will be our SL. 22 points of SL we will get. So we will just put our stop loss also. 254. So now let's wait for the, either we will hit our stop loss or either we will hit our target, but probably we should be getting a direct selling towards the downside. So let's wait for that, and according to my analysis it should not go above this. If it will go, so we have to book our stop loss. So let's wait for that. My entry My entry at this point is because market had given this sharp move directly, so definitely the buyers have come at this point, but it is continuing more towards the buying side and our position is around 400 rupees of loss. So we have to see it, either we will hit our SL or we will continue with the trend. Let's wait. If market will take more resistance, if market will if market will move more towards the upside, then it will be tough to come towards the downside. If market have to fall, market will fall from here onwards only. Otherwise there will be less chances that market will fall. So our execution is on to the selling side and our SL will be 2000 rupees and profit minimum 4000. So let's see how market goes, and today also we will hit our profit or we had to take a stop loss. Market is spending the time at this point, which is not good for us. We need a direct move towards the downside, but that thing market is not doing. And if market will spend more time at this area, so we have to take exit because our option will decay. As you can see, it is not moving according to the spot price. So guys, what happened here, that we were thinking that we have to exit if market will go above this, but that thing not happened and market has shown this selling towards the downside. So now the time is to wait for our target to achieve. The candles are not moving that much, our position is not moving according to the spot price, but we need at least 1 is to 2, so we will wait for that and let's see how it goes. So we have done an exit now at this point, and reason is very simple. Market had created the stop losses, as I have talked earlier, that market is creating the stop losses. So what market is doing? Market had invited the sellers at this point, and we are getting the profit of around 4,000, 3,700, 3,500 rupees of profit, but market had taken a straight reverse towards the upside. So we have taken an exit and we have booked around 1200 rupees of profit. So this is for the day, and although we have not worked upon our risk reward, we can book our trade at this point, but we have not. So we have closed around break even. So let's see on the next day now what will going to happen in the market. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.